Good morning, Lamesh Bhaiya. How are you today?
Good morning, Sunita ji. I'm fine, thank you. How's your family?
Everyone is fine. I saw you going to the fields early this morning.
Yes, I went to check the wheat crop. The monsoon has been good this year, so the crop looks healthy.
That's great news. Last year the rain was very less and many farmers faced a lot of problems.
Yes, you are right. This year I am hoping for a good harvest. By the way, how is your shop doing?
The shop is doing well. These days many people come to buy vegetables and daily items. I also started selling milk from last month.
Oh, nice. Where do you get the milk from?
I buy it from Kamla's dairy. She has 3 buffaloes and gives fresh milk every morning.
That sounds good. My children also drink milk every day. It is important for their health.
How are your children doing in school? Are they studying well?
Yes, my son is in the 8th class and my daughter is in the 5th class. They both go to the government school in the next village.
That's good. Education is very important these days. My daughter also wants to become a teacher.
That's a wonderful dream. She should study hard. By the way, are you going to the village fair next week?
Yes, definitely. Every year I go with my family. They sell nice clothes, toys and sweets there.
I remember last year, the fair was very crowded. There was also a cultural program in the evening.
Yes, the folk dance performance was amazing. I hope this year it will be even better.
By the way, did you hear about the new road they are building near the temple?
Yes, I heard about it. It will really help us. Right now it takes a long time to reach the market because of the bad road.
True. Also, transportation of crops will become easier for farmers like me.
That's a positive change for our village. Development is finally reaching here.
Yes, slowly things are improving. Even the new water pump near the temple is very useful.
Now, women don't have to walk far to fetch water. It saves a lot of time.
True. Sunita ji, I should go now. I need to buy some seeds for the next crop.
Sure, Ramesh Bhaiya. Take care. Come to the shop tomorrow. I have got some fresh vegetables too.
Sure, I will come tomorrow morning. Thank you for the conversation. Have a nice day.
You too, Ramesh Bhaiya. Take care of yourself and your family.
So friends, that was today's conversation between Ramesh and Sunita. I hope you enjoyed learning these new phrases and words. Please practice this conversation daily and try to speak these sentences in your own life. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends and family who want to learn English, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Convo channel. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Comment below and tell me, which word or sentence did you like the most today? I read all your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking English. Bye-bye, take care.